All right, you guys, I'm Phil Town for Rule 1 Investing. I want to just talk to you for a few seconds about what the heck is net income. All right, net income is a generally accepted accounting principle name for profit. And what it really means is if we had collected all the money of the stuff we sold, and if we had paid off all the stuff we owed to collect that money and to produce our products, this would be what we'd have in the bank. But in fact, it's not what we have in the bank. In fact, we could have nothing in the bank and still have a very big net income. Net income is kind of a accounting fiction, if you will, that is useful in some way and very important for us to figure out the value of a business, but you don't want to take it all by itself. It's very important to connect net income with operating cash flow. And we'll talk to you about how to do that when we talk about cash flow statements. Now, net income is also used to figure out earnings per share. So let me tell you real quickly what net income is. You simply take the revenue of the business, subtract the expenses related to that revenue, and what you come out with is the profit of the company, or net income. Now, in order to understand the earnings per share, net income is divided by the number of shares of the company. And what you get is called earnings per share or net income per share. So those two things are interchangeable. So if you want to look at earnings per share and what it does in a Rule 1 environment, it's the most important thing we use to figure out the value of the business. We use it only in relationship to free cash flow, but it's critical because ultimately a business is just about what kind of cash it's going to produce all the way out in the future. And net income is probably the best way to figure what that cash will look like. So the value of a business today is just the current value of all the cash flow it's going to have out in the future. We figure that out by basing it on net income. We figure out the growth rate of that net income, project that into the future, and discount it back to today. We call that a margin of safety analysis. And if we haven't talked about that already with you, we definitely will. So net income, critical to figure out the value of the business, and that's Rule 1 investing. So if you like what you've seen here, you guys subscribe to my channel for more content. Learn how the best investors in the world go out there and really do well investing. I'm Phil Town. Time to go play.